ka Jingpyntrei ya ka Surok Shillong sa Dawki ka Iaid shat Mynta bat kat kum ka NEHU do sembut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla ba prestun tensong kidon ki Bynta ba kila ban Pyndep no Mynta Snem pat don pat ki bakin Pyndep hau no pra jong Snem banwan sembut Menteri Rangba ha ka kran bat kilat pat hai Khubor hadian ka lang Mynta ka jan mit ula Pyndep pa ka jishna ya ka face paningkong baar pasau berbasan jong kan ka Surok kala Iaid shat Mynta bat ki khmi lenti pakin sala ban Pyndep shwa kapor.
As far as Shillong Dawki project, starting from package 1, package 2, package 4, package 5, the progress of work is good. As far as package 1, though lot of inconveniences has happened, has been created due to the construction of the 4-lane, as you are all aware, as you are all know. But today we have done the review meeting, the detailed review meeting along with the companies, the construction company, and a lot of debate, lot of discussion, and ultimately we have given the direction to the company to complete the work on or before of December 2025. So they have already assured us that they will be able to complete this 4-lane project within December this year. Stage 2, the work is in progress. Again, I reviewed, and I'm very sure because now the rainy season is more or less in the last stage, so the working season will start very soon, most likely maybe by first part or second part of next month. So I'm very sure even the package 2 will be able to complete the targeted date which they have already kept it up to the end of December 2026. Same way with package 4 and package 5, and I'm sure we'll be able to meet to this targeted date as made by the NEHU along with the company, construction company who undertaking this project. The Western bypass, yes, few issues were there, 5-6 issues were there, small stretch of land where the the counter claim of land is still happening, but I have given the direction that the DC, both the DC Nongpo and the DC Shillong, to resolve the issue at the earliest possible. And the progress of work is satisfactory, and I'm very sure even next year, 2026, the Western bypass is also completed.